Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a chocolate cake roll. You're going to start out by separating 4 eggs, and to the egg yolks you're going to add in a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla and beat that on high speed for 5 minutes. It should be very thick. And once that's done, you can gradually add in a 1/3 cup of granulated sugar. And it should be this consistency. Once that's done, you can start beating the egg whites, and you want to keep beating these until they reach soft peak stage, which looks like this. And now you can add in a 1/2 cup of granulated sugar gradually to this. Now you can mix together the egg yolk mixture and the egg white mixture, and you want to do this very carefully because you want to pop the least number of bubbles possible. Once that's all combined, you can add in a 1/3 cup of flour, a 1/3 cup of cocoa powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Once that's all done, you can start mixing this together. Now you can grease a pan, and you should also put parchment paper, but I forgot to put some and it ended up sticking to my pan. And you can spread it out all over the pan nice and even and put that in the oven at 375 for 12 minutes. And here's how it looked when it came out. And you can see here I'm trying to scrape the sides, but it still doesn't come out exactly even. Now I'm just using some cocoa powder and sprinkling a bit over a sheet so that I can remove it from the towel once it's out of the pan, and you can see here it starts to crack apart. I do end up fixing it in the end like a puzzle, but you would get a much more perfect swirl if you had it uncracked. So now I'm just folding over the towel and rolling this up. You want to make sure you roll it up when it's still warm, or else it'll start cracking even more. Now I put this in the fridge for a few minutes just so it can cool down a bit. And I'm just carefully peeling it off. Now I'm using some Cool Whip to fill the inside. And this is not completely defrosted Cool Whip, so that's why it's so hard. And you can also use chocolate pudding or jam, but I really like Cool Whip. Now you just want to very carefully fold this over. You want to do this as slowly and gently as possible. Once that's done, I carefully transferred it to a cooling rack, and I trimmed off the edges. Once that's done, you can start making the chocolate ganache. So I'm adding in 2 cups of chocolate chips and a cup of heavy cream, and you want to make sure the heavy cream is boiling hot so it will melt the chocolate. And you just want to carefully ladle this over the top, and you don't have to do this is optional, but I wanted to do this because the sides were all cracked up and I wanted to cover them. So now I'm just adding on some coconut over the top, and that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!